Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, you guys know what to do. Come join the Crypto ZX army by liking, commenting, and subscribing. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Algorand. We're going to be discussing what is happening with Algorand's price, what are some next price targets we should be looking at, and whether or not as holders, we should be worried in the immediate short term. So let's waste no more time and get right into that. So if we're looking at the price of Algorand right now, currently sitting at 17.5 cents, we're down about 0.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down about 0.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently approaching that $1.3 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $26 million. Now let's shift our focus, of course, to the price and see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So Algorand right now is facing some massive levels of support, which we talked about in my previous Algorand update. I did say if this level of support at this 17.9 cents mark does not hold, there's a strong possibility for Algorand to start retesting its previous low of last year, which was at 16.06 cents. And right now, guys, that is definitely on the table. If this support line where we're currently at does not hold, that makes a move of about, if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we could potentially see that happen. That would be a move of about 8% more to go towards the downside. So we definitely could see Algorand start retesting its previous yearly lows, which was late December or the beginning of the year. And right now, guys, that is definitely on the table right now for Algorand, because you guys can see, especially on the hourly time frame, we're in a downwards trajectory right now, of course. And BTC dominance staying so high is not helping a lot of altcoins. A lot of altcoins are right now in a downwards trajectory. Bitcoin right now is, of course, holding above that level of support, which is at $28,800 mark, which is perfect for Bitcoin. But again, the momentum is still on Bitcoin side, which is causing altcoins to go down even more, especially when Bitcoin sees a little bit of a retracement within its price. So Algorand is no exception. Algorand is, of course, in a downwards trajectory, especially since April 17th. You guys can see, if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys can see the price of Algorand has retraced about 26% since April 17th. So, quite a significant pullback for the price of, Algorand. But, if I go back down to, 2020, you guys can see where the price is currently sitting at. You cannot make this up. Huge levels of support and, basically last life support in a way for the price of Algorand. If this were not to hold, there's a strong likelihood that we could be retesting these levels that we have not seen since the beginning of the year. But again, guys, look at the bigger picture, and that's what a lot of people are not looking at right now. Not every altcoin is going as you want it to be doing. Yes, there's meme coins that are absolutely exploding right now, but majority of the altcoins right now, especially projects, blockchain projects, they're still, lagging behind, still in accumulation sideways pattern, because, the excitement for altcoin market and the alt season is just not there, and Algorand is one of them. And if you think Algorand is dead, remember, Algorand made an all-time, so in the accumulation zone, it broke out at that level of resistance. I was about to say all-time high. Of course not. That's not what I mean. But in an accumulation zone, especially during a bear cycle, it went up all the way to 45 cents. And that was during the World Cup. And the amount of people that were flooding in my comments at that time was insane. People were like, we missed out. Algorand's just going to blow up, this and that. And of course, people sell the news after the World Cup came to an end. It did plummet all the way down below this level of support, which is at that 21.9 cents mark, which is to be expected. People are going to take profits. But, you're getting a discounted Algorand. If you were, kicking yourself, picking it up there, you're getting a discounted Algorand right now at 61%. From that November side. So if you truly believe in Algorand's price, you think that it's going to hit an all-time high, then guess what? This is an opportunity to be accumulating at a cheaper price rather than picking it up, of course, when it is in trading in the 0.50 or the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. Remember, its all-time high was previously at the previous bull cycle on at three, not even bull cycle because it came out late, but it was $3.44, and last cycle it went up to $3. And if if we look at it from this point of view, if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of about 20x from the current price levels. So, it just comes down to how you are, dollar cost averaging and how your portfolio looks like. But I believe that Algorand is going to obviously react to the crypto momentum when the altcoin season does begin. So if you are a holder, you guys are getting, a great chance to be accumulating at cheaper prices closer to all-time lows from last year. So of course, that is it for today's update. Right now, like I said, there's a chance of us to retest that zone. If anything were to change, of course, I will keep you guys updated. The bullish side would be for us to actually go above that level of resistance, which is at 21.85 cents mark. But I would love to know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.